ROM posting po. Ito po yung mga na-post namin month. Yan po, Pride Month. Clearance sales, dry fit collar, umbrella, destination shirt, ball pen, promo 3 buy 3 for 350, done orders. Brigada Eskwela, Father's Day, ID list or lanyard, design post win. Then as of July po, ito na po yung napopost namin.